Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a mascara video for you guys today. I have seen this for the past, I don't know how many months. All these YouTubers are like, oh my gosh, this Voluminous Lash Paradise is amazing. I watch Tati's videos a lot, and she always says that this is one of her favorite mascaras. So I was seeing it over and over and over that I actually went out and purchased it to show you guys whether or not it actually works really good or not. I got a waterproof. My lashes fall down very much, so if you have that problem, you do want to purchase a waterproof mascara. This is the Blackest Noir Voluminous Lash Paradise. So I'm going to zoom the camera in and we're going to see if this is actually amazing or not. Focus. You guys can see my lashes right here. Let me just pick them up. They're not much to look at. So let's go ahead and get started. Pull this brush out. This is what the brush looks like. It's a very, very like spiky, one of those plastic spike. This is kind of like an old school brush, but it's a little bit more separated in the bristles. There you go. You guys can see a good picture right there. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we think. Now, this is supposed to be like a dramatic difference, and wow, I can see automatically just by that very first light coat why people love this. This is really nice. Like I said, my lashes are nothing to brag about. That is why I wear false lashes all the time, because my lashes are wimpy. What do you guys think? I think that looks freaking amazing. I think the brush really helps with the separation. I'm going to go ahead and let this eye dry. See if it gets really chunky. No, it does not. It actually is just getting thick. Now, see, I think I should just stick with one coat because I do notice that my lashes are falling just a tad bit more because obviously they are heavier. Well, look at this. I'm actually really blown away by this mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. It says 3 out of 4 women saw volume and length. 90% said it didn't flake, and 95% said it lasts all day. This is what it looks like, is the pink one. I'm actually really like loving this mascara. I'm going to say it, this is going to be one of my favorite mascaras. I use normally the Voluminous False Fiber Lashes in waterproof. This is a very lightweight mascara, but it gives you that length. But this, I think, is so stunning. And you guys saw how like wimpy my lashes are naturally, and just look at that. You can see them. They're huge in comparison to what they were. I mean, I actually could go without any false lashes, but I just love my false lashes. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. This mascara, I would say definitely go get. Absolutely amazing. If you have problems with your lashes not staying up all day, do buy the waterproof formula. But if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.